Alright, next up we're going to be watching this video for technique and RPE rating. It's difficult to rate RPEs for someone that you don't know, what a 1RM looks like, how slow can they go basically. But we'll give it our best shot anyway. Looking for 5 reps on this one. So you said that you rated it in a 9 RPE, and well, actually no, you said you rated it an 8 RPE, which I would typically, I would agree with. It may be a little bit easier than an 8 RPE, but it's pretty close. So no problems there.